Hello lovely souls and welcome to my channel the Hierophant 111. So guys, I'm sorry I wasn't able to post for a very long time. So guys, today we are going to be doing a reading on the next 72 hours, and let's move on to see what's going on and what's going to happen with you in the next 72 hours. So angel, spirits, divine, please guide me. I see some celebration coming your way in the next 72 hours. Okay guys, something is coming towards you in a very, some good news is coming towards you, some clarity is coming towards you in the next 72 hours, and you will be celebrating about it. Okay, I see that you have been struggling a lot about it. You have been trying to get that news anyhow. You have been I don't know why you have been intuitively, you have not seen that truth. You were kept under cover, but you were not being told the truth, but you have guessed it rightly. Your intuition has told you about it, and that is the reason why you will be told the truth now. You have hit the bullseye. You will come to know about it in the next 72 hours, and you'll feel great about yourself. You will feel like you have achieved the world, and some good news is coming towards you. Is the cause of your celebration. Someone is going to tell you something what you already knew by intuition, but you were not told about it, and like you have hit the bullseye. So that's what I'm going to tell you. Let's see more about it. What more do divine angels, spirits guide us about this? Okay, it's about moving on in life. It's about cutting the past cords and moving on. A new beginning is going to happen in your life, but you felt about it, but nobody told you about it, so there is something more. So let's see, angels, divine spirits, please guide us about it. The Empress. Okay, so I see you having the divine power, and there is lots of power coming towards you. You're going to feel so powerful. You're going to feel so loved and strong about it. You being the divine feminine, you being a beautiful woman out there who's spiritually guided, you are going to be in your power. You're going to know everything for what you have been working for 3 years maybe, or even more. I see you have fought your battle alone for this. You have struggled alone. You have stood for yourself till the end. So it's going to be really good news. Let's see what more do we get to know about this. It's regarding, maybe a person, or, maybe I just see this masculine over here. Maybe you were in a journey or something like that, and you were interested in someone, or you wanted to marry someone, and you worked for it hard, and everyone was against you, but yes, you did it. You hit the bullseye about it, and now, or regarding your manifestation for money and wealth, I see 2 things: you becoming very rich, or you getting married. So let's clarify this King of Pentacles, please. Angels, please, divine, please clarify this King of Pentacles for me. What is this next 72 hours about? What is this King of Pentacles about? Please guide me. Okay, I see you are meditating about it. You have manifested it. Your 9 of Cups, guys, this is a card of wish fulfillment. So yes, your wishes are going to come true. Okay, I see the Knight of Wands. Somebody is coming towards you with full passion. Okay, and they are going to come like full speed now in the next 72 hours. So you're going to feel like celebrating about it. Let's see what more. The 4 of Wands is also a card of, guys, location change, marriage. So I see that also in the cards for you. Let's see what more is coming for the next 72 hours. The Sun card. Guys, if we had to, your dream is coming true, your happy life, what you manifested for, whatever you wish for, guys, for the next 3 years continuously, that wish is coming true. Though you felt everything came to an end, and you try to move on, everything is going to work out for you, and in the end you will get what you wanted. It's lovely, guys. I don't know what to say. It's so beautiful for you. If you are resonating with this reading, I'm so happy for you. Let's see what more. I see the Hermit, indecision, Four of Pentacles, I'm going to exaggerate this, guys, to you, and I'll tell you, because I spoke about the endings, I'm going to tell you how it ended, and maybe you will be able to resonate more deeply with it. Okay, guys, so I see over here, maybe I spoke about a guy, right? So this person was in hermit mode. He was never speaking to you, never talking to you, because he was in indecision. He did not want to leave his past or something like that. He was in confusion whether to hold his family or to keep you in his life. Okay, and in the end he broke the connection with you. He caused separation. He permanently said no. You walked away, guys. You established your balance, and now you're going to get your dream coming true. Okay, guys, so I am sensing that if you have resonated with this reading, you have completely walked away from this person. Okay, you have just come here to see your next 72 hours regarding something else. Okay, because you are not expecting anything in this place. Okay, so you have just come here now, or maybe you have just completed this cycle with your person, and your person has told you that things have ended between us, and then you have come here, or after a few days you have come here, or a few weeks, and when you come here, as this is not what you are expecting to know. Okay, I'm sure some endings has occurred in this person's life. There are two ending cards over here, and this person was trying to be alone for some time. Okay, and you knew about it, that there is some endings in this person's life, but he or she never shared anything with you. Okay, they asked you to move on, but you stood and you fighted for it for a lot of time, and now guys, you're going to get your union. Okay, so this is for a very few people, it's going to resonate to a very few people, but I see you, if I say, I see you in balance with your feminine and masculine energies, and I see you achieving union. Okay, guys, in the next 72 hours. Congratulations, guys, you all really worked hard. So I hope you like this reading. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, the Hierophant 111. And also, guys, do not forget to press the bell icon if you do not wish to miss any video from me in the future. And then bye bye.